all the bricks or whatever the things are called that destroy your boat. You have to make it as pretty much as long as the water itself. Then you're gonna have to reinforce it. So once some of the blocks are gone, all of them will be. So once some of the blocks are gone, they should have a second layer to try to penetrate. So it will be safe, and then after that, we can make a tiny little boat at the behind it to go behind all the blocks that this one is broken. I think 2 layers is enough. Or I'm gonna go for 3, and then I'm gonna test out the boat. Oh, I ran out of blocks. Yeah, I ran out. Let's just use the glass. I don't know if it's fragile. I don't know if they have like any durability tests. So I'm just building with random blocks. All right. I'm gonna make it a bit longer. Some people are really rude in this game and try to go behind me when I try this trick. Oh no. Oh no. 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 Bro, no. Please. Please, no. Bro, no. Just no. Just no. Please. Please. Bro, please. I'm saying please. Do not. You're a royal member. Just please, bro. I think he might be typing. I have no idea what he's doing. But should I launch my boat? Should I? He's going to be my middle marker. So I can go behind him. And since I have enough blocks, I still have 65. I'm going to reinforce it even more. Just because I can. And if I see him get on that harpoon launcher, I am jumping off. I'm going bye-bye. I'm jumping. What? 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 Like, bro, you're a royal member. Why would you reset yourself in front of me? Look, I'm not a royal member. And I probably never will be. I also have no idea how to get the royal member name, thing, whatever it is. So do not ask me what it is. I have no idea. I've done this before. I have these really good, as I was saying, really good propellers. And the secret to it is by building around the propellers. You do not want the propellers to get damaged, or you're just dead. You have nothing to steer a boat with. You're just dead. There's no hope in trying to even go anymore. You just have to admit it. Sometimes I like to do mine with double 2 blocks around. But right now I'm just gonna do mine with 1. I gotta connect them so none of them fly off, because I also like how this game has like physics. I like how this game has like physics, so if a block is not connected to anything, I like how it will just fly off. Just go on its own until it gets hit. And then I gotta make a little barrier around myself. Just because I do not want to die. Even though I do all the time. I do not want to fall into the river. I think this is good enough. It looks horrible, but it looks horrid. If I can get into here, I would call it a decent build. Alright, now I can that I can box myself in and build around. Box, 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 box. Oh, and because we can, we're doing this. Put in 3 of those. All right, so hold on. 1, 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna do this, 2, 3. I gotta take myself out to go high. That's 3. 4, 5. That's all. All right, and I have some watchtowers somewhere. Right here, I got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I can make that taller. Hold on, I can. Oh yeah, I can definitely make that taller. 7. Guys, just look at that beautiful thing. Just get my sparkles out of the way. Look at how beautiful that is. We're gonna go with it. All right, launch. Does it work? No! 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 Why? No, why did it have to end like this? It didn't have to. No! Oh, what? Oh, wait. What? Why am I gonna go down like this? I can't even turn. I can't even turn. I can't even turn, but this is what the barrier was built for, to do stuff. No, I did not build it good enough to make it go down like this. No, oh, I just hit that little pinky boat. You know what? I'm gonna use those boats to make a path for me. I know it may be little boats, but still. Oh, dang it, I hit that back part right there. Oh, no, that counted, what? Oh, no, those are way too tiny. I gotta, dang it, that hit the, that'll do nicely. No, that hit the propeller. No, it hit the propeller's getting hit. It's getting comboed. No, don't hit that. That was in perfect position. Or I'm just gonna glide along with this. How is that guy all the way up there by the sock? Like, bro. Okay, I'm at the fish level, very, very low. How is he past the checkpoint way down there? Oh no. Oh, if I'm gonna turn like this, I gotta go all the way around. I gotta go all right, I'm good. No, quit turning. This is not what you were built for. You were built, well, technically. What? Huh? How did that on the top just break? Remember we just had something up there? Now, where the heck did it go? I cannot hit those middle. No! Well, I mean, it is easier to control now. But then again, we do have to deal with the overpowered motor. I mean, it will be easier to dodge, and at least I have... No, the pinball level. It's gonna go, please go for that in front. Please go for that in front. Please? No, it is not going for it. I'm gonna wait for that to go through so then I can go away. No, you may not go, please. I'm all the way out here. I'm in no man's land. No. Yes, you missed me. Do not hit the circuit. Oh wait, what am I hitting? Oh no, no. This is the jackhammer one. No, that's who let them bring the sledgehammer to the movies? Who let them in? Who let them in? Who let them in? Who let the guy with the who let Popeye into the who let the guy with the sledgehammer into the movies? No, my propeller is gone. All right, let's just glide. What is this toothbrush level? Oh. Oh, okay. Just went flying. Okay. That was very confusing, but okay. How are we still going? That guy's gonna be really happy when he reaches the top. And I will too. Why was that block? Oh no. I'm headless and don't have a seat. I can't even move. Oh wait, I can't move. No, get in the seat. Get in the seat. No. Okay, what? Oh, thank goodness I went in the seat. No. Do not touch. No. No, I will not go down like this. No. Dang it. Oh, wow, that took multiple hits. We get $72. Or 72 gold, as you see down in the corner. Alright, that was it. That was it for this video. Alright, yeah, that was it. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye.